thing that we need a row in here inside of our food tile. So for us to make a row, we are going to manipulate the view. We need flex direction. For flex direction, we're going to use a row here. So let's go ahead and push this text right inside. Okay. Nothing will change. So inside, we're going to require another. Let's go ahead and have our network image. Network image is supposed to be a closed component. So first we require the data, and the data is going to come from our item. It's going to be item dot image URL. Okay, let's see, probably in array or so. Okay, let's give it a height. We're going to give it a height of, let's go with 100 for starters. And we're going to give it a width of the same size. Okay, so we have our image. Let's go with radius. We're going to give it a radius of 15. So 100 might be a little bit too much, so we need to reduce it down a little bit. So we're going to go with 75 for both the width and the height. Okay, 75 like that. So our text, we have to put it in a view. Okay. The shadow is not visible. Let's go ahead and just have a view here. Inside of this view, we're going to put the text. Okay, so like that, we need to push this text a little bit to the other end. So we're just going to have margin that's, let's see, margin left, put it 10. Okay, so we need margin left and we need margin top. Margin top, we're going to have probably 5. Okay, like that. So down below, we're going to have our rating for the food, and then we're going to even show the price. And the price, we can show it on the other end. So since here we're in a row, what we can do, if I use space between, that won't be okay. So let's do it step by step. Since we have our title, we're going to go ahead and log this data first. Let's log our item. We have time, we have price, we have rating. So let's handle our rating. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the rating. So we already have our rating component right here. Okay. Go to menu, not FoodTile. After the title, we're going to paste that. So we need to import this rating input. We're just going to copy that, and then we're going to paste it here. Okay. Item.rating. Okay, that's going to be our rating. So that's okay. We might need to reduce the size a little bit to 20. You change the color to green. Okay. We're going to use primary. Okay, I like that. Okay, I'm going to go with primary 1 for that one. So best way to design it, let's see, that's the view, and that's another view. We have another view here. We close it and we paste everything inside. So inside of this view, we need to add a little bit of style. So in our style, we need to have our background color. So for the background color, we're going to use colors.light white. Okay, I like that. And we need border radius. We're going to give it a radius of 12. Okay. So let's format our code and then we can continue. So we have our title. We need to put our price. So for this one, we want to make it a row so that we can have our title and our price. But first, let's make it a little bit bigger. So style, we're going to use styles dot title. So we don't have the style here. So what we can do, we can just come here. If we have title, yes, we do. We're going to copy the title and we're going to paste it here. After pasting, we have colors already. So that will do. Here, our text is a little bit too big. We need to reduce it to 16. Okay, let's change the color to gray. Like that.